Hello, it's Lukasz Zelezny straight from Dagenham in East London. 10th of January I will be speaking at SearchNorwich in, as you can expect, Norwich. So please reserve that day for you. It's a free meetup, free event, 6:15. All the details you can find on searchnorwich.org, and let's catch up there. I'm very excited. Last time in Norwich I was probably like 8 years ago, so it's going to be nice. Maybe I will even book a hotel to stay longer and have more chats about the SEO, about what are the challenges people are facing. As some of you know, I was working for many years for Uswitch and Zoopla as responsible for SEO, and currently I just moved to start helping people with their challenges. So please, please, please be there with me and other speakers, and see you 10th of January. Bye.